So today we'll be looking at this food app and let's see what all does it do. So basically initially what happens is it will show us all the restaurants nearby, what all are the restaurants nearby, how much is the rating, how much time it will take to deliver. All these details it will show. What we can also do here is in this app we can search for a location. For example, if I'm searching for Sainik Puri, it automatically gives me suggestions. So now when I click on Sainik Puri here, so even I have implemented that shimmer effect. So now you will notice that we are now getting restaurants from Sainik Puri location. So now when I search for, let's say, Madhapur, so now it will give me location, restaurants around the Madhapur location. Okay, so this is one thing which is implemented in this app. We can search for any location and it will give me restaurants around that location. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to search for High Tech City. So now when I click High Tech City here, I've also implemented the shimmer effect, and then we'll be seeing restaurants around the High Tech City location. What all we can do in this is we can also look at the restaurants which will deliver me quickly. I just need to apply this filter, fast delivery. So now if I implement this, it will show me that what all restaurants deliver me quickly. And then what else I can do, I can also click on this rating high to low. If I click on this, I'll be getting the restaurants with highest rating going to the lowest. This is the filter which is applied. And now what else we can do, what else we can do is instead of just searching like this, we can directly go and search for restaurants. For example, I'm going to search for Paradise Restaurant here. Say we got Paradise Biryani here. And what happens is if I click on this Paradise Biryani restaurant, you'll notice that we can actually see the entire menu of this restaurant. So now these are basically the categories. Okay, if I click on this, we are able to see the entire menu of this restaurant. Okay, so now I'll go to the main home page here. So now whatever restaurant I click, I'll be able to see the entire menu of that restaurant. When I click on this here, we will be able to see, okay, the recommended items are 18 and what all items are there, the entire menu of this restaurant we will be able to see. And here we can see that the cart items are 0 initially. So now whatever item I add to the cart, it will get added here. So this functionality is also implemented. Okay. So now instead of searching restaurants, what else we can do? We can actually search for any dish we want. For example, here I'm going to search for pasta. Yes, I'm going to search for pasta here. So now what this is going to do, it is going to give me that, okay, this is the pasta and it is going to come from Madhur Sweets. So now what I can do, I can add this to my cart. When I click on add to cart here, it is added to my cart. I can add this item to cart. So this item is added to my cart. So whatever I'm adding, it is getting added to my cart. And also I can view that restaurant. So now when I click here, we are able to see the entire menu of that restaurant. That recommended items are 20 and slice veg pizza, these items are 20. We can actually look at the entire menu of all the restaurants. And we are also able to see if it is a veg or non-veg item. Here if I click on this, all the items are veg here. And we can also add these items to cart. So now if I go to my cart, these are the items which are added to my cart. And here we can see the total price. So now I'll go to my brand here. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this restaurant. So here it is showing me what all items are coming from this. Okay. So here I'll go to Mandi. So here it will show me the entire menu. So now I'll go to KFC here and then I'll click on add to cart for this pizza. When I click on add to cart here, these items will keep getting added to my cart and the total price is calculated. I can also remove whatever items I do not want. I'll click on remove from cart here for this. This items gets removed. So these are the functionalities I have implemented inside this application.